Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. Today we'll be looking at the CarlinKit 5.0 wireless CarPlay adapter. I'll be doing an unboxing shortly, doing some initial thoughts and impressions, and have a little review for you in the end. I drive a 2022 Subaru Forester and I absolutely love the car. My only complaint is that I don't use CarPlay that much, mainly because it's wired. I know it doesn't sound like it's that big a deal, but I honestly just forget to plug it in. So the goal of this is to fix that issue and use a wireless adapter to see if we can get to that level of wireless compatibility. All right, let's get this unboxing started. Shout out to Jerry Rig Everything for the Linus Tech Tips orange unboxing knife. Let's do a quick little unbox, 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 unbox. I'm gonna be honest, there was no tape on there. I just wanted to use this knife for the first time. So let's slide this out. And there we go. It's a lot smaller than I anticipated. So that's cool. I plan on putting a little bit of adhesive so I can adhere it to the base of the actual area where I put my phone. It looks like we have the actual unit. We have a USB-A to USB-C and also a USB-C to USB-C. So that was pretty cool. So let's go set this up in the car and see how it works. All right, so we're now shooting with the front-facing camera. I've got the CarLink 5.0 here. I don't know why I waited for the literal coldest day of the year outside of Boston here to shoot this, but here we are. It was, I believe, 14 degrees when I woke up this morning, and now it's a sweltering 22 degrees. So good day for testing. Let's get started. I have the USB-A plugged into the port down there. I'm about to plug in the CarLink 5.0, so let's test it. All right, so I just plugged it in and let us see how it goes. So unfortunately the video cut out while I was setting that up, but I plugged it in. It took about 5 to 10 seconds and then instantly it popped up. So let's see if we go to my apps. We can go. I can tell that honestly it's better than I anticipated. So as far as initial setup goes, that was a lot faster than I expected. It maybe took 10 to 15 seconds to go through the settings and add the Bluetooth and everything like that, but it linked up. I'm going to do a quick test now while I'm driving, and we'll see how it goes. It's also a fun green color when it's working, so that's kind of cool. Another test for you guys. We're going to start the car and see how long it takes for it to connect. It looks like it's working down there. Got the Android Auto and CarPlay settings. And there it is. Well, I'm learning that I can't play music and record at the same time, so learning. I honestly think it's great. It connected really quickly. It goes through songs maybe with a hint more lag than a wired connection would, but for my initial first time use, it's not that bad. I do have one more test for you guys, so we'll check that out. From start to stop, it wasn't that bad. Maybe it was 10 to 12 seconds, maybe a little bit more than what a normal car is with natural CarPlay built in, but not too bad. So for this final test, I'm currently borrowing my wife's car. She has a 2024 Subaru Impreza. We are a Subaru family. It just happened by chance. And she has a native wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay built in. So let's give it a shot. So same as before, start the car and see how long it takes. We agree. Let's see if it pops up, and it's much faster. So as you saw yourselves, it was maybe 3 to 4 seconds with a native wireless compatibility for CarPlay, and it was maybe 10 to 15 for an adapter, which is expected. Okay, we're out of the cold, so we're doing much better now. In short, it went better than I expected. It was a really great product. I mean, I noticed a little bit of lag between switching songs and a little bit with the navigation, but for less than $100, I totally think it's worth it. The physical device was a lot smaller than I anticipated, and it was really easy to hide in that little compartment in my car. I am curious to see long-term how this impacts the battery life, especially while broadcasting wirelessly, because I don't like keeping my device plugged in, especially after it's at 100%, which is one of the reasons I wanted to get one of these wireless units. The setup time and the initial startup time is substantially slower than a native built-in wireless unit. In my unit, I was getting 10 to 15 seconds startup time, while in my wife's car with the native compatibility, it was maybe 5 seconds maximum. In short, it did a really good job, especially for that price, and I'd recommend it. Thanks for tuning in.